This is the worst skateboard in the history of skateboarding.
100% guaranteed impossible.
I'm gonna man up and try this real quick.
Hey guys. Hi. Hello. Hola. Hi.
Bonjour. Hey guys!
That's Aaron from 3 years ago.
All right, what are we doing today, Gabe?
All right, you guys, we're here today for another amazing, for you, terrible for them video.
Carlos size board for you.
I think I just spit on Gabe.
That fully just threw me off, and I lost my entire train of thought.
Look at how pretty that blue is. You can buy these at Braille, in the Braille shop?
It's gotta be a 7.5, yeah?
No, it's smaller.
7.2.
That's a 7.2.
There's
That's
7.1.
We're here today for another incredible video for you guys, but for them, it's gonna be absolutely terrible. Just imagine your absolute worst nightmares all taken into one little skateboard, the most intense, fiery hell you could possibly imagine, with pain, misery, torture, and difficulty, sweat, persistence, perseverance,
heat. I can't come up with any more adjectives, but it is gonna be absolutely difficult, terrible, and hard for them to do.
We are making the world's most terrible, horribly built skateboard, and these guys are gonna play a game of stupid skate on that nightmare skateboard. This is Chris McNugget. My name is Gabe Cruz. I will be behind the camera filming, not participating. This is Carlos Lastra, and this is Uzi Dan. And behind the camera, raising his hand, is Nigel Ryan Jones. And holding the camera is Aussie Dan. The creation of this video is gonna be all of us going around the skate park. We have to pick a deck, and then we're gonna have to find the worst trucks, the worst wheels, worst bearings, and the worst hardware. Put it into one.
I'm going home.
Stupid skate. And then I think you guys may also have to wear the size 20 shoes. I'm debating
I'm
still
fine
though.
with that. I'll put them on right now.
It's nightmare skateboard, not nightmare shoes.
I'm gonna take this camera back and I'm gonna take these guys on the tour. Not before I grab the cool wheels.
You really took your time when you got back from Home Depot to charge them up immediately.
Just so I can ride them right now for this video.
Oh my goodness. You know what? Cool Wheels, send him a pair. He wants his own. Just please send him a pair. He deserves it.
Please, I do deserve it. All right, I've gotten the cool wheels. We're ready to start filming. Dang, Chris, you looking fire. All right?
I'm about to go on a date right now.
Hey, dude, your jacket and my underwear is the exact same color.
That makes me feel uncomfortable.
Since the other guys are too distracted with size 19 shoes, I think we should go over here. What's
Wait,
the word I'm looking
does
for?
it have to be a standard deck or like
can-
the worst skateboard ever?
It can literally be anything. The worst thing ever or the worst deck ever.
Man, I don't know. That's tough. Keep
Just think with actually being able to do tricks on it.
Oh, this guy. Oh, that'll break though.
Yeah, that'll break. Uh-oh. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to get up here.
It's your willpower.
Lex is hard to skate.
Plexi's hard to skate?
Yeah, for sure, man. I remember.
How so?
It just bends. You're never guaranteed the right amount.
I'll think about it. I'll think about it. I'm like intimidated to do this.
Careful. Oh my God.
I got the skills, Carlos. That was scary, dude.
Dude, I was scared for you.
That one will just bend. I don't think that'll work. Okay.
Hey, can we just use the Louis Vuitton one and make it relevant again?
Oh,
Everyone will be like, they skate Louis Vuitton.
This one was hell too. It's like really.
Oh, geez. That feels like it'll break.
That's debatable. That's the hardest one I know.
This is what Brian Ames' bathroom floor looks like after shaving.
Oh, yeah, true.
Let's skate this one. Why do we stop? Is it a toilet seat? What is this? Dirt bike.
Those are super hard, yeah.
I never tried.
Oh, that's the goal. You want it to be very hard. Ooh, the Primo board might be good.
That looks like the number one right now to me.
That looks like the number one at the moment. Oh my Dan.
What? Trucks here
You
and
put
here?
trucks here and there.
Oh gosh.
What have we done?
Thank
But
you.
on this side, we do penny trucks, so they're smaller. We just did it.
Can we all agree on this then?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think that's the one.
All right, let's do it.
I'm so confused by what is occurring here. I've taken the screw. Oh, that would make sense. Dan! Look at this.
This is a thing of, I would say beauty, but what's the opposite? It's a thing of chaos.
Yes.
I feel like this would be good practice, like manuals.
We need to put trucks on this. We need to put extra trucks on
Yes, sir.
this.
Why are you
that-
like 3 feet taller than me?
Because I have size 15 shoes on.
Oh yeah.
Wheels, 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 wheels.
We need penny trucks. If anyone can find penny trucks over there. As for this, I think we should just get the worst trucks we have and screw into it. These are actually perfect because they have freaking shark wheels on them. But shark wheels are great, but like, you
They
know what
look
I mean,
the
right?
aesthetic.
Yeah.
You know, I feel like this was like made for that board. Like, look at these.
Oh,
It was like made-
yes!
It fits perfectly.
Yes!
That's perfect.
I don't necessarily know how to get them in
But
though.
look,
Perfect.
That's actually really
perfect.
good. Here you go. Mark the holes and then drill all the way through, and then we'll just like have a fat bolt going through.
All right, so we got the first part done. Think it runs straight?
Probably not. Wow!
There's definitely no steering wheel, that's for sure.
Oh no.
But we're not done yet. We have a twist. We're gonna make it even harder.
Normally Fetty would build this, but in his absence, I've had to take over his,
You did a great job.
I feel like I did pretty good, dude.
Yeah, you did a great job.
All right, we're gonna keep building this and then come back when we're completely done.
It's like,
Oh my gosh,
this is the Pippi Longstocking of skateboards, dude. Straight up, dude.
I am
It's
literally
unique.
so proud of this. Like, this is my baby.
You can only ride it one way, but 2 ways, 3 ways.
Whoa, you could probably actually look at. You probably could go like this.
Go upside down. I want to test something real quick.
I want to show Nigel too. Wait, hold up, hold up, hold up.
Check this out. It's a workout thing too. It's not only a skateboard, but look,
Wow. Wow.
we're good.
Nigel!
It's the ugliest board that's ever
Sí se
been
puede.
made.
See, what in the James Brown, Charlie Sheen, James Dean is this? Oh man, y'all gotta give this to John Cena because nobody can see this except for him. He can't even see this actually.
Not a bad build though, right?
What do you mean not a bad build? What do you start with this?
This is the worst skateboard in the history of
That we're a
skateboarding.
part.
This is not even a skateboard. This is a science
No,
experiment.
it has
gone
trucks.
wrong.
It is a board. It has multiple trucks, but it has trucks nonetheless.
And somebody's gonna skate this and do tricks on it.
Yes.
Everyone.
Everyone, all of y'all, lottie dottie, I'm so glad. Number 1, I'm not gonna be here. And number 2, I'm injured. So, y'all gonna have fun with this one. This is like the cement board.
Check
me
this
feel
out though.
heavy it
Chill.
is.
Look, it's a workout thing too. Look, do push-ups.
I mean, your form's a little
Yeah,
off.
I know.
but you
I was just trying to,
Okay.
prove a point.
Oh, you know, I didn't pick it up till right now, and
It's heavy, dude.
it's a lot heavier than it looks.
Does that mean y'all gonna have to do tricks on it this way?
Anyway,
You can.
any way you can get tricks done, it's gonna go down. How would you even stand on that, dude?
Do it.
It
Oh
works!
my god. Let's
Yeah,
go get everybody
visual,
else's
visual.
reaction.
Before you leave, Carlos, you have a lesson on Sunday at 10 o'clock.
Usual. Good. Sign up for lessons, BrailleSkateboarding.com, okay? I am here on site to teach you guys anything you want to learn about the basics or tricks in general. Learn how to skate.
It is my child. I've named him Gregory.
Oh, it's so heavy. These look like pieces of ham or tofu.
Looks like a spaceship.
If you don't approve, then that's technically you approving of it, because it's supposed to be like that.
It rolls. That's better than some other things.
Yes.
This is actually a alien technology. This thing is a tank. If you run into a wall with this, it's going straight through.
What I want to do is like a sidewall ride. Just go next to something and just have the wheel spin as you're going sideways.
This is wild.
Get in the office. I'm watching you. I just realized I just bossed the boss around. I was like, get back in the office. He has no idea what he's about to see right now.
No.
He knows.
He
what
knows it's the nightmare board. Doesn't know what it is though.
it is. Man, anyways, this is getting a free workout. This thing's heavy.
Yeah, seriously. We put in a lot of work for this.
Oh no. What? I'm not gonna skate this.
Yes, you are.
Dude, this literally took like 45 minutes to make.
Actually, all it needs is trucks on top so that you could land on any angle.
I had a nightmare last night about this thing.
I had a nightmare last night. I was in Montana at my parents' house, and my wife and I were riding on a deer, of all things, and there was a giant bear, and we're like, oh no. And then the bear lunges and just barely misses us. And then we're stuck in a ravine with a bear that's
He
gonna
woke
attack
up, bear
us.
was just licking his face. That's all it was.
Mongo.
End of video.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
We're done.
Try.
I can't do anything on this.
Careful, Aaron.
Dude, I value my ankles.
So do I, but this is Braille.
Ah, my toe! Hey, and I know you're judging me.
I am judging you. Like, all you're doing is standing there. You can't just film normally. Show your feet.
Dude, so smooth. I could get around faster.
Oh my god, you guys are
For
great.
like the last 5 days straight.
Oh, wow.
See, you can't stop you moving your arms, huh?
All right, you gotta get that, Aaron. You gotta get that. Remember, they don't turn
Yeah, they don't turn.
at all.
You can't, like, adjust yourself. Oh, yeah. Ow. I think I just broke my leg. Ow.
This thing does have to be kickflipped somehow.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes. It has to be done by someone. Yep.
Nope.
Possible. Kickflip off.
No, Gabe, it doesn't.
I don't think it's possible.
Carlos doesn't think it's possible. It's not possible.
You didn't think the hard rhino was possible.
I mean, if you landed that, would that count?
Ain't a hard rhino, but definitely related.
Yep.
Oh yeah, we can do it.
Yeah. Carlos is beginning to believe.
Here, just ollie it. You can't, because you hit right there.
Pop shove is definitely possible.
Oh, yeah,
You
I'll
got a
pop
bunch
shove.
of stuff, yeah.
We
at that.
That's crazy.
Oh, dang. That was cool.
It's impossible.
I hit the wheel.
He went full power. He went and then nothing. Inner chai.
Oh, that hurt so bad. Varial flip? Ooh. Oh! Uh-oh.
Damage report.
Oh, no.
What was that even doing there anyways?
Here's what I'm thinking. You stand on it primo up there, we push you as hard as we can, and then you push it back to regular down the 5.
The second you get close to a kickflip, he tries to kill you.
I think Chris knows what I'm
He's out for
thinking.
me, dude.
And then
And
flip
then-
it off the 5 and land like
Land
right side.
regular, yeah.
I can't even do that right here.
100% guaranteed impossible.
Speaking of
It's
that,
like when Samus has all of her powers back.
Oh my god. Good eye, mate.
Wow.
Wow.
He's going fast.
All right,
Whoa.
one of the trucks is like so crooked now.
You know, the wood may have cracked.
These are just...
Not lined up
Yeah,
right.
because remember when I rode down that, it was just going...
yeah, we did eyeball.
We did the best we could.
They eyeballed it.
They're like impossible to get on.
There's like nowhere for your feet to go at all.
Now selling at brailleskateboarding.com. The world's worst absolute skateboard. Everything about it is wrong, bad, and likewise. The only thing that's good, I figured it out, you guys are the best mall grabs.
Oh, yeah.
If you want to pick up tricks at the mall, dude, you in.
Whoa! Dan, I need a shove from you.
I don't want to die.
I'm just here drinking more coffee.
We'll have Dan do his shove, then we'll make Carlos and Chris skate the mini ramp.
Is there a nose?
I like how you use the word make. Like, he can't ask us nice.
Oh, yeah, Dan! Good job.
All right, now keys off, mate. You're lopsided.
Whoa, Dan! Careful!
Remember the wallabies.
He landed on the trucks.
The meanest friends ever.
Yeah, Dan!
Yes! Yes!
Whoa! The heel flip?
I'm gonna man up and try this real quick.
Aaron! Revolutionary. Help this man.
It's not revolutionary.
Dangerous.
Look at him. This is like that level of evolution where the species dies because it couldn't keep going.
Darwinism.
No way! Are you serious?
I stand corrected. The species lives and everyone else perishes. This is like Thanos at his finest moment.
That was scary, dude.
Chris, you're gonna do it too? Oh no. He's doing the harder way. Those are Kryptonics wheels, Chris. Walmart board wheels.
I'm down.
And
I didn't finish my song.
Hello, Uzi.
Hello.
anything, do anything. This man.
Oh, whoa.
One ollie and you already broke it. Okay, get it away from Uzi. No, I don't think it's breaking. I just think the glue is cracking. Do you guys want to skate the mini? Next time I said you guys.
This is not even. Oh. Forgot you can't steer it. That was scary.
Are you gonna drop in there?
I give up.
Yeah, that'll break it.
It's kind of like a bad Transformers movie. I'm pretty sure it's just this cracking.
Okay, so here's the question.
wanted to do
Do
a
we
rock
take it ender down the 5 first, and if it survives, then do this, or do this first?
Mini ramp. Yeah, it is fine. It's not gonna break it.
Maybe we should skate the other side. I don't know what's breaking.
It's this right here.
These
Oh, I
wheels
see.
are touching.
We need to rescrew these two.
Oh! Nothing can stop it!
Which side is actually straight though?
Multiple mall grab.
I'm hoping to actually just manual down from a drop in.
Chris, nose pick.
All right, jeez.
I was kidding. Where am I safe?
Not there, that's for sure.
I turned my back for 1 second and he's flat.
That did not go well. I gotta make it to the other side.
Okay.
It's like the best trick I could do on that thing right there.
That was unbelievable.
Shaka, brah.
Why?
I've never seen Carlos have a harder
How
time
can
on
you
such
not
an
do
easy
this?
trick.
It's just a rock.
Good thing that thing is there on the wall.
Sometimes the first video just takes him out the hardest.
I'm gonna die in there, man. I'm dead. I'm dead.
All right, I did all the tricks I could possibly do on that thing. I'm pretty sure.
I'd rather just do the 5.
That nearly counts.
I'll count.
Oh, you do count? Okay, we're counting that.
That's scary, dude.
I want to try the 5-0 fake on the little side. I have to manual to it. That's the hard part.
I don't know about that, man.
I know about it.
Uzi just rolls out on the cool wheels and says, I'm here for a good time.
I think you're right. I don't know if that's gonna work.
Told Uzi to hit the wall. He said okay.
Oh, are you gonna hit the wall? Cool, I'll trade you.
I feel like there's some kind of catch to this. Why is everyone freaking out about it?
Just go as fast as you can. Get the bungee.
Where are you going, Dan?
Don't break it!
Who let him ride that thing?
I don't know.
I just saved your life.
Save me, Dan.
Why does that escalate so quickly?
You got that?
Has anyone done it?
Yeah, everyone has.
Very hard.
Unprecedented levels of balance. He must have the cheat code from Tony Hawk Pro Skater on.
Oh, wow.
I love how much effort that took. He went up like half a foot.
Wow. All right, who's doing a mani on the mini box?
I'll try it with you, Carlos, if you want to.
Or nose mani, whatever's easier.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. Let me show you how to do this.
Oh,
Job
no.
boy.
That counts.
I got a trick, Gabe.
3-show?
No, I got a trick. Freestyle BMX. I thought that would work better. I don't know how to get my feet back on.
I literally don't know what's going on. He wants to caveman the 5.
Wow, okay. It's his life.
Be as soft as you can, Chris.
Oh my
No,
god!
it's still good.
Yeah, now it has to give.
The trucks are actually holding the board together at
Now
this
it
point.
steers.
Now it actually, like, yeah, it's a little bit better.
You got the 5 too? Oh!
There's no comfort on this. You have to be on deck the entire time.
On deck. Where else would you be? On the ground?
It kind of reminds me of those old remote control cars that would flip upside down and still.
Oh yeah, huh? Damage report.
Carlos breaks everything.
I think it broke.
We have some wear and tear right in the axle region. It's still good. It's still good.
Oh no. Did anyone in the comments not see that coming?
I saw it coming.
I did not see that coming. I thought it was gonna go better.
If you didn't see that coming, leave it in the comments below. Hashtag Notification Squad. We'll pick the funniest response and we'll send you a prize package. Notification Squad only. Let's go.
Andy Anderson taught me everything I know.
Wow.
Thank you, Andy. It's definitely the worst board ever.
The best board ever. What are you talking
The
about?
best worst board, though.
Go ahead, Aaron. Do the honors.
it have to
Or
be one
Carlos,
foot?
do you want to?
I can't
have
do
to
it
be
if
one
I
foot?
try, dude.
That's even harder. Oh no! Oh no!
Okay.
Slightly damaged.
That was my child.
His name was Gregory.
This part's still good.
It's going back to the earth.
Borderline perfect.
Uzi Dan is the smartest man I've ever met.
Plausible.
Brand new. It's brand new. Look at this.
Jump on there.
Go ahead, Uzi.
Low-key master engineer.
Unbelievable.
Just
Walker.
tape it together, Uzi.
Went from bad to worst to worst to best. You say full send?
Just jump on it.
Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you right there, learn how to skateboard. It's time.